Advanced Clinicals, Coconut, Deep Hydration Hair Mask, 12 ounces, 340 grams. Product Overview Description. Guaranteed hydration. Deep condition soft, shiny locks with vitamin E and shea butter plus vitamin E, shea butter, kelp for weak, color treated hair. DEA-Free, Paraben-Free, Sulfate-Free, no animal testing. Nourish, virgin coconut oil, split ends, shea butter repair, kelp. Suggested use. Apply generously to clean, damp hair and massage through roots to ends. Leave on for 5 to 10 minutes. Rinse thoroughly and style as usual. Other ingredients: water, cetyl alcohol, glycerin, behentrimonium chloride, isopropyl myristate, cocos, nucifera, coconut oil, butyrospermum, parkii, shea butter, panthenol, tocopheryl acetate, macrocystis, pyrifera, kelp extract, silicone, quaternium 3, hydroxyethylcellulose, trisate 12, fragrance, phenoxyethanol, tetrasodium glutamate, diacetate, caprylyl, glycol, ethylhexylglycerin, hexylene, glycol, citric acid. Warnings. Caution: for external use only. Keep out of reach of children. If product enters eyes, flush with water. If irritation occurs, discontinue use and consult a physician. Disclaimer. While iHerb strives to ensure the accuracy of its product images and information, some manufacturing changes to packaging and/or ingredients may be pending update on our site. Although items may occasionally ship with alternate packaging, freshness is always guaranteed. We recommend that you read labels, warnings and directions of all products before use and not rely solely on the information provided by iHerb.